Hello everyone, this is triple roll-up sign. It is one of the hottest products in the traffic safety industry these days. It is mainly used in worksite, flowing traffic, and road construction. Its market are Europe and Southeast Asia. Its material is PVC reflective sheeting, which is waterproof and easy to clean. We currently recommend three sizes, which are 70 and 90 and 100 centimeters in height. At present, its conventional colors are fluorescent yellow and white. Also, we can customize the sizes, colors, patterns, and styles according to customers' requirements. Its reflectance can meet EN 12899 RA1. Its service life is 6 months to 18 months outdoor service. The tripod we made shrinks very smoothly. The stand can automatically open, making the sign immediately ready for use. Finally, we get a tote bag for every tripod roll-up sign. This is the general introduction of this product. Thank you.